Hello, my friend Stephanie Bernard at the Stamps of Life, and what a month it has been. Whoosh! Did it fly for you as fast as it flew for me? I don't even know which way is up. The older I get, the faster time goes. So I guess that means I'm having fun, but at the same time, whoa, Nellie, slow down, right? Wow. Well, I have a feeling you're just as busy as I am, and I am a little concerned you might have missed one or two of the releases that we had this month. We released brand new items on the 1st, the 7th, the 15th, the 20th, and the 25th of each month. Now, just a real quick tip I have on my phone, and this is going to be really cool. It is a little reminder. Whoops, hang on, turn it back on. It is my wallpaper on my phone that says Stamps of Life products release days, and it gives me a little cheat sheet. Now, you can get this wallpaper free on our website. Just go to thestampsoflife.com, click on the extras tab, and you can get that so you can have it on your phone so you remember. Because sometimes I forget, I'll be honest. But let's jump in and do an overview of what we did this month. Now, we started the month at the end of last month with our Trophy Fold It. Now, if you're in the Fold It Club, yay, you got this one. If you're not in the Trophy Club, if you're not in the Fold It Club, you can't get it. Sorry, close your eyes. But get in the Fold It Club so you do not miss out on the exclusive shapes for the Fold It Club. We also did something interesting this month. Brand new this month, we started an add-on option of stamps that coordinate with our Fold It Club. So if you are madly, deeply in love with shaped cards as much as I am, go to our website, make sure you're in the Fold It Club. If you want to add the stamps, go add the stamps for your next shipment. You'll be so excited. I'm telling you guys, we're having so much fun in that club. Now, then we released our first of the month Stamps and Die Hard Club. And I'm telling you guys, this is probably my top one or two now. I am telling you, I've had so much fun with this koala that when I look at it, I just want to kiss it. So dang adorable. Now, some of you might think, ooh, but I don't like to color, Stephanie. I got you covered. Stencils that coordinate, so you don't have to color if you don't want to. Limited time though. Stencils are limited edition all the time at Stamps of Life, so get them as soon as they come out, otherwise you'll miss out. Right? We don't want to do that. Get them when they come out so you don't miss out. Okay. Then look, oh my goodness, look at this cute one. Here's that little sleeping koala on an oval fold it. Isn't that adorable? Open that up with the hidden panel. Then we also came out with a Koala Fold-it set. Absolutely love this little guy. Oh, here's another one. Koalas. It is like koalas, cuties everywhere. Everywhere. I love them so much. Then later in, oh, there's another one. Sorry. I couldn't resist throwing more of these in here. Then we released later in the month our Stand and Say set is so, the phrases are so popular. Now we have Happy Birthday. This is on a mini slimline candle. Regular slimline candle. A lot of you already have this die set. Go get it out. Add that Happy Birthday to it. Boom, there you go. Isn't that cool? The vertical words are so much fun, right? Then we also came out with, and I'm embarrassed to admit it, we did not have our mini slimline decollage. Phew, now we do. I can't believe it. Mini slimline decollage. Look at how awesome that decollage is. So gorgeous and so fun. That's like a basic. Now, I gotta show you, I gotta wait on that one. Thinking of you. You gotta let people know when you're thinking about them. This one is perfect for that. I'm thinking of you. You know, they just need to know sometimes. Oh, do you have any graduates coming your way? Look how cute that is. This is also using the stencil numbers from our cap and gown, or this one, the card front. What? I know, look, that is a shaker card, but it's so easy. Go watch the video for this one if you missed it because it's so dang easy. It's die cut it through once and you're done. It's so easy. Then we released our, and again, another one I'm embarrassed we didn't release sooner, our Deckle Edge Circle Nesting Dies with the stitch dot, stitch dot, stitch dot that have become so incredibly popular. This is on a stand up. Look how cool this is. Isn't that awesome? Love it. Look at that circle. Amazing, right? Then we released our, not only is it graduation time, it is also time to think about weddings. So get this now so you'll be ready for the weddings that you're going to get all those invitations in the mail. Nowadays, they send them sometimes through email. Okay, crazy, right? But look, Mr. and Mrs. Isn't that gorgeous? Yes, it comes with the fun little diamond ring and the beautiful heart. I love it, love it, love it. Then, okay, here we go. You guys have no idea how much time I spent on this one, but I'm madly, deeply in love with it, so it worked out. This is our floral edge. Look at that edge. Look at that edge. Gorgeous. You can add the inside pieces to the inside of the card. So now you're getting flower here and flower there. Oh, isn't that gorgeous? Look at how intricately beautiful that is. This is A2 in size, standard card size. Love it. Comes with these words, live life in full bloom. Also comes with the mini flowers. Yay. We also released very limited edition, our wax seal sets. When you see our wax seal sets on the website, you need to get them immediately because they do sell out every month. This one is our cute little bee and our hello there. We have gray or silver wax sticks and a beautiful yellow wax stick. So when you see these on the website, get them ASAP. Also, we released our Rainbows and Sunshine paper pad. Yay, love it. Then we also released our peacock set. So, whoops, upside down. This die set is included. It's a mini slimline gatefold. Isn't it gorgeous? Love it. That's a mini slimline gatefold. We also have, there's the stamps that match. It comes with stencils if you buy the dies. So much fun. And last but certainly not least is our charming Flip It. This was something I released with Sizzix 100 years ago. We've brought it through now to the Stamps of Life, and there you go, the charming Flip It. So check your stash, make sure you don't have it, and get it now. Isn't that awesome? Whoa! You guys, so much fun. We've had a great time. Also, I hope you've seen our fabric boxes and our magnets and our kangaroo pockets. Whoa! Yeah, it's been an amazing month. Go check it out, stampsoflife.com. Stock up on the things that you need. Add things to your wish list if you don't want to buy right this second, but some of these items are limited edition. Once they're gone forever, okay? Thank you so much. I appreciate you. I love you, and I will see you again soon. Bye-bye. so much for watching this video. You know what? If you would like to see more inspiration, I need you to click that little button there. If you want to visit our website, click right here. And if you want to subscribe to our YouTube channel, make sure you click right here because you know what? You're not going to want to miss a thing. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.